Have you ever wished you could share your screen with someone without needing them to download anything? Well, CrankWheel's no download feature makes it possible, and in this video, we'll explain how it works in just a few minutes. First off, let's talk about what CrankWheel is all about. CrankWheel is a screen sharing tool that lets you show your screen instantly to anyone, anywhere, and without requiring them to download any software. That means no more asking customers or clients to install apps or plugins before you share your screen. The first thing you need to know is that CrankWheel's no download feature is simple and seamless. All you need is a link, and when you share it with the person you're talking to, they can view your screen directly in their browser, no downloads required. It's fast, frictionless, and perfect for businesses who want to streamline their online presentations. Next thing, CrankWheel makes it incredibly easy to share different content. You can share your entire screen or specific windows, like showing a document, a product demo, or even a website. With the no download feature, you can share all of this instantly with someone, no matter what device they're using: PC, Mac, tablet, or smartphone. The third thing is the fact that this system is designed to be user-friendly. Once you initiate the screen share, the recipient gets an instant pop-up in their browser that opens the view, no logins or installs necessary. And on top of that, CrankWheel uses WebRTC technology to make sure the connection is secure and private. Next up, CrankWheel allows you to control the session. While the recipient is viewing your screen, you can allow them to interact by giving them control if you choose, or you can just leave it as a one-way presentation. This is great for sales calls or customer support sessions, where you want to guide the conversation but don't need full collaboration. The fifth thing, which you'll love, is that CrankWheel supports a variety of use cases. Whether you're using it for sales calls, remote demos, or troubleshooting customer problems, the no download feature lets you connect and present instantly. It's especially helpful for situations where you need to quickly share information but don't want to waste time on installation steps. Before we wrap up, here's something special. If you're looking to try CrankWheel for yourself, we've got a special offer just for you. You can start using the software completely for free with our exclusive bonus offer, which you can access by clicking the first link in the description below. Don't miss this chance to test out CrankWheel and see how the no download feature can make your workflow easier. Lastly, don't forget that the CrankWheel no download feature gives you a hassle-free, fast, and secure way to share your screen with anyone, anywhere. So, if you want to try this out, click the link below to claim your exclusive extended free trial. Thanks for watching.